Hey friends, Luke back again, Hagen Surface Protection. Got another review for you today. We're going to review this really great compound I've been using lately. It's Elevate from Starke Yacht Care. This is their medium cut compound. It's definitely a medium cut. It's designed to remove 1,000 and 1,200 grit sanding marks. Really digging this compound. As you can see, working on got a boat, big 50 footer. We're prepping for a ceramic coating. This is a brand new boat, and did a wash already and then hit it with Starke water spot remover. You'll find a review for that also on my channel. Works super good. So we got a really nice, clean, fresh surface. So for what we got to do for the apply the ceramic coating is just kind of buzz over it with a real light compound or polish. This is perfect for just to remove anything on the surface, and kind of I just want to shave off that real top layer just a teeny little bit so that we got bare gel coat, and this is perfect. So it's yeah, this is a diminishing compound, so it's going to start out with the abrasive's gonna be a little rougher, and then as you're working it, it's gonna break down. This works good by hand and machine. Got a couple of machines here with me. I got a DA and Rotary. I like it with both. So I did the entire other side of this boat all Rotary, and finished out really well. I didn't have any holograms. I just used a Rupes Rotary polisher and the yellow foam pad, which I have on the Rupes 15. So I'm using this on this side just to make my life easier, because this is giving me plenty of cut with this tool. So we're gonna work this area here. Just gonna show you how I run through. Usually do 3 passes. Has been working good with this one. Pretty simple. I have it here. I've been buying it by the gallon, so I just reball it into this. So let me see my screen. So this, we're going to use the Rupes 15 DA Bigfoot yellow Rupes foam. That's what's been working on this boat, and this is my go-to setup anyway, go-to pad. So don't need much. Actually, it's probably too much for this little section we're going to do. Let's see, we'll work right in here if they can see that good. I already cut this in, like I cut the edges in. Not right down here, but up here by hand. When I do it by hand, cutting edge, I just use a 3-inch. This is like Lake Country, I think. I just put some on and rub it in there. It's really simple. So I just spread it out. I'm on speed 4. Right out, and you need to make sure you get an even layer. It's diminishing abrasive, so you don't want to have weird spots. You need to make sure you get it everywhere you're gonna polish before you start with passes. I'm gonna start pass now. Normal arm pressure, I guess, with polishing, a couple of pounds. Make sure you keep it bad flat so it's spinning, overlap. One pass. pretty much it. He said it's perfect for this boat because there's no oxidation on it, so this medium cut compound is just perfect for this. You could probably use a finishing polish if you want, but I like this one because even if you have light oxidation, this still works. But if you're going after heavy oxidation, they have a heavy cut compound that you'll be better off using the heavy cut. And like I like the foamed wool pads. You'll also find a review for that on the channel. Lake Country, those purple foamed wool ones, those are awesome on boats. There, hazes up, beautiful shine. So that's DA. I'll show you Rotary. I'll do a strip up here. I'll show you how I throw down put that on a Rotary polisher. We'll be using this one. See, this is that foam wool pad. I was going after a scratch right there. So these are good. If you want to do it in Rotary, I suggest still foam or that purple foam pad. I like these. Clean the pad. If you're using Rotary and you want to finish it down with holograms, you're going to need some practice, because I still do 3 passes, but each pass my pressure lightens up each pass, and then the final pass I'm basically just going real slow and just holding the foam pad to the surface, and I have good luck with not getting any holograms. And with Rotary on Joko, always speed 1. You can go to 2 if you want, but I just always speed 1. So same process. Rotary's nice on boats because you can cut in these edges real quick and real easy, like in here. You wouldn't be able to do that with the DA because it would stall out. So you can do whatever you want. But this is what I did. So 3 passes with this, speed 1. So heavier pressure, first pass, second pass, a little bit less, third pass or fourth pass, like you're just holding the pad against the boat. See how you can cut in this edge? You can be able to do that with that other passes. And slow on speed. We'll call that pass 1. I'm going to go a little lighter. Still slow arm. I do 4 passes on this spot because I got too much compound, so I do it to make sure it breaks down. So real light pressure on this one. And now I'm just barely touching. I'm just holding it against there. Yeah. You should end up with no holograms. Get your arm pressure right and your speed, arm speed right. If you're new to Rotary, it'll take you a little while to get there, like a couple of years, but you can do it. Or if you have boat tools, cut it with Rotary, use a heavy cut if you're going after oxidation with a wool or something, and then you can hologram it up, and then you go back with your DA and remove. It's kind of like the same process as you do polishing like car paint. And you can see how you get in this edge. So just get a little on there, you can smear it in there. So you cut with the rotary, cut in the edge. This isn't about using polish here, this is about reviewing the compound. So anyway, yeah, so this stuff is awesome. Can't recommend this enough. Starke Yacht Care Technologies. This is Elevate. They got a bunch of different products. And this is the medium cut. So yeah, recommend this. I think it's StarkeYachtCare.com. If you got a boat, you detail boats, I suggest you check this stuff out. It's really great. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, you guys have any troubles figuring something out, let me know in the comments. I know how to take care of it. I'll shoot a video and help you out. Alright. Thanks for watching.